Skate is finally here, but the big question is, should you play Skate right now? Let's break down everything you need to know before you lace up your virtual shoes. Welcome back to the channel Einstein Ibrahim. Today we're exploring whether Skate, the newest entry in this iconic skateboarding series, is really worth your time and attention. We'll cover gameplay, visuals, multiplayer, and the challenges you might face to help you decide if this is the game for you. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to skating games, this video will guide you your next move. Skate returns with refined controls, a dynamic new world, and a fresh take on skate culture. Here's 5 reasons why this game might be worth your time. Coming up at number 1, gameplay mechanics. The signature flick-it control system returns with smoother precision and enhanced physics, making tricks feel lifelike and rewarding for skillful players. The second, open world. Explore a sprawling city with multiple neighborhoods, each offering unique skate spots and challenges wrapped in a day-to-night cycle and changing weather that impact your ride. The third, customization. Express yourself with deep character and board customization options, including gear from real brands and community-designed skate parks to share online. The fourth, multiplayer modes. Skate's multiplayer offers co-op sessions, trick battles, and live events through the Skater Universe Hub, letting you connect and compete with skaters worldwide. The fifth, visuals and audio. Experience crisp, next-gen graphics, realistic lighting, and energetic soundtrack blending punk, hip-hop, and indie tunes that perfectly complement the urban vibe. But should you jump in immediately, here's 4 things to consider. The first, there's a learning curve. The flick-it system, while rewarding, can be tough for new players to master, leading to frustration during the early hours. The second, technical issues. Bugs and physics glitches occasionally disrupt gameplay, and online multiplayer suffers from connectivity problems that can hinder the experience. The third, content and longevity. The campaign is somewhat short, and multiplayer modes need more post-launch content to maintain long-term interest, which could affect replay value. The fourth, customization limits. While personalization options are strong visually, deeper customization like trick creation or game mode editing is limited at launch. Let's unpack what these challenges mean for your gameplay. If you're a die-hard skate fan or skilled at challenging control schemes, you'll find a rewarding experience once you overcome the initial learning curve. The developers are actively working on patches to fix bugs and improve online stability, signaling ongoing support. Planned DLC and seasonal updates promise to expand content and keep things fresh, but early adopters should be aware of the game's current scope and state that it is in. Customization options could grow with future updates, increasing player creativity over time. If you enjoy community-driven games and are patient with early issues, Skate has strong potential for fun sessions. So, should you play Skate right now? If you value realistic skateboarding, a vibrant open world, and social multiplayer, and don't mind a few rough edges, then yes, Skate is a worthy pickup. On the other hand, if you prefer a polished, beginner-friendly experience from day one or want more content up front, waiting a bit may serve you better. In summary, Skate delivers an authentic and ambitious skating experience that will appeal to dedicated fans and those seeking a live, evolving game world. Its challenges are balanced by deep gameplay and community features, making it worth considering now if you're ready to embrace its learning curve and growing content. But if you value hassle-free, full-feature releases, holding off until more updates arrive might be the smarter move for you. If this helped you decide whether to play Skate, drop a like and subscribe for more game guides and reviews. Ready to skate or waiting it out? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time.